Before PI, get all the rooms in all the different locations online at the same time. This is a good quote from Ian J. Franks in his show Art Tightrope Walking. I can highly recommend to watch the whole episode, so click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any more time and see what's behind the 20th wicket. The world map as a canvas is often used as an icebreaker to start the remote PI planning. Encourage everyone to place a sticky with their name where they are physically located. Of course, you can also add a sticky for the role. This way, when filtering the board for the role sticky type, you can see who you have to approach to discuss, for example, a dependency. In addition, the time zones are updated live, so you always know if it is a good time to ping someone or whether they might be asleep.